Welcome to Salesforce for End Users, presented by Omni Consultants, designed to help new users navigate Salesforce. In today's video, we will be going over the contents of a typical record page. Additionally, we will go over how various objects connect to each other. By the end of this video, we'll learn the sections and components that make up a standard records page, the related tab on a record page and the relationship structure between various objects. Please note that every Salesforce instance is different, and the layouts we discuss may vary from your company's layouts. When we select a record inside Salesforce, we are directed to the record page. This page is made up of various components and sections to provide us with a full picture of the record. For this video's purposes, we'll look at what makes up an account record page. We have the following components: the Highlights panel, the Details tab, the Related tab, Activities, and Chatter. All these components can be customized by the Salesforce administrators to provide relevant information. First, the Highlights panel provides key fields on the account. In this example, we see the type of customer, the owner on the account, and more. Additionally, we have buttons and quick actions we can take on this account record. When there are many buttons on a record page, some of the buttons will be hidden in a drop-down option on the right-hand side. The Details section holds the account fields. This is where we can view and edit information directly related to this specific record, such as the account's main phone number. The Details section may contain some of the same fields in the Highlights panel. The Activities component stores any tasks, calls, events, or emails tied to this record. These activities are displayed in a chronological timeline. Chatter is a set of collaboration tools inspired by social media. Chatter also has a chronological timeline displaying key activities, but it can be used to make posts. These posts can have rich text, attachments, images, and even tag other users. Any user tagged will receive a notification of the post. Likes and replies can also be made to the Chatter post for easy collaboration. There's a lot more Chatter is capable of. These are just some of the more common use cases. Finally, we move on to the Related tab. The Related tab shows us records from different objects that are related to this source record. For this example account, this means that Edge Communications is listed as the account on the related record. If we open the contact Sean Forbes, we can see there is a field called Account Name, and this field has the Edge Communications record listed. These object relationships are known as parent-child relationships, where the account is the parent record and the child is the contact record. This is also known as a one-to-many relationship, where one account can have many contacts tied to it, but each contact can only have one account listed. Pivoting back to the Related tab on the account, we only see objects that are directly related to the account object as a child, and we only see records where that relationship has the example account listed. If a certain object is not listed here, for example, the price book object, then that can mean there is no direct connection between the two objects. If a record is not present, then that means there isn't a connection to the specific parent record. For example, the contact Jack Rogers is missing because that record is tied to a different account, Burlington Textiles. Object relationships can get pretty complex, but most standard objects will follow the configurations we discussed. For more Salesforce videos, be sure to like and subscribe to Omni Consultants. And if you need Salesforce or AI assistance, check us out at omniconsultants.com.